Hey guys, welcome back to the another video of my YouTube channel, and we're going to do weekly forecast for from 19th August, right? And first we're going to start with DXY, okay? And before this, let's come to Forex Factory. So we are right on Forex Factory, so let's select date from August 19 to August 23, and we will check the red folder news कि किस किस दिन red folder news है. So we can, and personally I trade only this uh, currencies pair, okay? So you can see on Monday we don't have any red folder news on any pair, so I'm expecting Monday as a consolidation, okay? Tuesday you can see we have this red folder news on CPI, on CAD news, so we can look for trade on CAD pairs. For intraday, I'm talking about intraday, okay? If you get swing setup on Monday, definitely you can look for swing trade on Monday. But if you are intraday trader, personally, I look for red folder news, okay? So Tuesday, you can see we have CAD news on CPI. So we can look for trade after CPI on CAD pairs. Wednesday, we have this news on USD. Thursday, again, we have some news on USD as well as on other currency. Maybe हम local news है. Friday, we have news again. Okay. So Monday, I am expecting consolidation. Tuesday can be a manipulation. Okay. And then we can look for the distribution. Okay. So let's come to trading view and let's see here. So let's start with the weekly time frame. अगर आप लोग ने लास्ट वीक का फोरकास्ट देखा होगा तो उसमें मैंने डिस्कस किया था कि ये जो लास्ट वीक अभी प्ले हुआ है, आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि मार्केट पहले ये वीकली बेरिश वैल्यू गैप टैप करे एंड देन फिर ट्रेड करे लोअर, ओके? बट इट डिडंट टैप दिस वीकली बेरिश वैल्यू गैप, वेयर एज आई डिस्कस अबाउट दिस वीकली बुलिश वैल्यू गैप जो इन्वर्टेड फेयर वैल्यू गैप बन गया एंड दिस कैंडल basically closed below this weekly bullish fair value gap, right? So we have this weekly inverted fair value gap. You can see this candle basically took resistance here, right? And then traded lower, okay? So इसको हम लोग वापस इधर रखते हैं. So of course we didn't tap this weekly bearish fair value gap, but if you come to daily time frame, you will see on daily we created this daily bearish fair value gap, okay? From weekly में हम लोग weekly level नहीं आए थे, but we was already inside this daily bearish fair value gap, and you can see we created another daily daily bearish fair value gap last week, okay? And this is what I said also in the group as well in my Discord. You can join. A link will be available in description, okay? So I said I am looking for bearish move from this daily bearish fair value gap, and you can see we have this high probability order block also, okay? So now I'm still expecting price to trade all the way down to this weekly bullish fair value gap, right? On last weekly analysis, we discussed कि जो bullish level it's not holding, so I'm expecting a market to trade much lower, and this can be our drawn liquidity, okay? And if you go to daily time frame as well, you can see from this daily bearish fair value gap, we seeing some rejection and created this order block as well. So we can still look for bearish move until we hit this external target, okay, or until we tap this weekly bullish fair value gap. So if I'm looking for bearish move on DXY, I'll be looking for long on EUGU, right? So I'm still bearish on Euro USD. So let's see. Monday can be a consolidation, or maybe we can look for continuation downside. I'll see if I get any setup on swing. Definitely, I'll take it. But let's see how it plays out. So let's discuss Euro USD. So if we start with weekly time frame, again back to the order flow video, I uploaded this on YouTube as well about order flow. So you can see right now we're respecting this bullish order flow. How I know कि bullish order flow is getting respected? Because you can see we respecting this weekly bullish fair value gap, this weekly bullish fair value gap, और ये जो bearish fair value gap है, it's getting disrespected and market taking support on the bullish level, right? Here, if you see on the left hand side, basically this area, this weekly bearish fair value gap, market also closed above this weekly bearish fair value gap. So this area is also not holding. So we know market only do two things, right? Either it rebalance the imbalance and grab liquidity. So if this is not holding, what will be our target basically? This old swing high as a liquidity, right? So I'm still expecting bullish moves. So on weekly, we don't have anything right now, but on daily, you can see on daily as well, we're respecting this bullish fair value gap. We respected this bullish fair value gap, right? And then market traded higher again, created this daily fair value gap, and it's respecting. So I'm expecting continuation to the upside. And if I get any confirmation on lower time frame, we can look for the long. You can see we have this order block as well. So maybe market can tap order block, and if I get H1 H4 entry, I'll be looking for long, right? Because DXY में भी हम लोग का bias bearish है, so we can look for long on EU, right? Now let's discuss GBUSD. So if you see same thing, again, understand order flow first of all. On weekly, you can see we're respecting this weekly bullish fair value gap. We respected this weekly bullish fair value gap here as well, right? So we're respecting bullish level and we disrespecting bearish level. You can see we had this bearish fair value gap, right? That get disrespected. Again, here also we had this weekly bearish value gap, both get disrespected. So what it's showing basically, क्या signal दे रहा है market is giving a signal कि जो bearish level it's not holding and bullish level is holding, so we should look for the continuation to the upside. And you can see this bearish level is not holding, so what will be the next target, what will be the next draw on liquidity? This swing high external target, right? So let me delete this. And if we come to daily time frame, you can see on daily, uh, Friday we had this very huge expansion. So what I'm expecting, let's say for example, Monday somewhere closed here, okay, and we created this bullish fair value gap, for example, okay, we created bullish fair value gap, then I'll be looking for a long from this daily fair value gap and I'll target this external. Okay, so let's say we create fair value gap on Monday, we have to wait for the Monday candle to close, and let's say we found fair value gap and market tap this fair value gap on daily, then you can go to H1 H4 and you can look for the swing entry. Okay, so this is what I'll be looking on GPUSD. And USD CAD had nothing. Odd pairs also look bad. Let's check CAD. So CAD is basically stuck in trapped order flow because we are at this bullish fair value gap and at the same time we are at this bearish fair value gap. So this trapped order flow. So I don't want to trade this either. I want to see the market trade higher and candles closing above this bullish fair value gap, and that will show me a signature key bearish level is not holding and bearish level is failing, and we can look for continuation to the upside. So right now I am waiting कि किस side market strong move देता है. GP CAD looks good because if you see we basically trading from this weekly internal to this external, right? And if you come to daily, on daily we have created this inverted fair value gap. So let's see how Monday play out basically. If again let's say Monday close something like this and form Tuesday let's say daily fair value gap for example, then we can basically look for market to trade to this daily fair value gap and continuation to the upside. Okay, and you can see this is nice consolidation as well. Okay, so we have to wait Euro USD, GPUSD, everything. And if we talk about JPY pairs, still I am bearish. We are still inside weekly bearish fair value gap in all pair basically if you see. So I am still bearish. So if I get any H4 confirmation, I'll be looking for the sell. Okay, so let's see how this week plays out basically. And once market will tap this weekly bullish fair value gap, then I'll go sideline and then I'll wait key. Let's say market traded lower, for example. Okay, for example, let's say market rate lower and tap this weekly fair value gap, then I'll see कि क्या market ये weekly fair value gap bullish level hold कर रहा है and daily H4 में market signature दे रहा है कि market bullish shift होगा, then I'll be looking for bullish move on DXY. और let's say ये weekly bullish fair value gap market disrespect कर रहा है, okay, and if it get disrespected weekly bullish fair value gap, then we can target this swing low. Okay, so let's see how it goes. And yeah, and one more thing I want to say कि this is my last weekly forecast. Okay, I'm going to take some break for upcoming weeks, and later I'll again start posting this weekly forecast. But a few weeks I'm going to take break from this social media and from this Discord as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you guys have any question in the Discord basically.